Governor Greg Abbott is lifting the statewide mask mandate and allowing businesses to now operate at full capacity.
The mandate goes into effect next Wednesday, which Democrats say is far too soon. In tonight's top story, Maggie Glenn has the very latest on the governor's decision.
It is now time to open Texas 100%.
Governor Abbott points to more COVID treatments and shots in arms than ever before as he lifts the mask mandate and expands business capacity.
More than 5.7 million vaccine shots have already been given to Texans.
The capacity expansion is welcomed by business owners and employees across the state, many of which have been shuttered since spring.
For the thousands of local restaurants on the brink of closure and the 167,000 Texans that remain unemployed in our industry alone, Governor Abbott's announcement today is a light at the end of a very dark tunnel.
But Democrats were quick with criticism, concerned that the mandate could lead to another spike in late spring.
If you listen to the national experts, Dr. Fauci has said that even when people are vaccinated, they should continue to mask up.
Doctors say abandoning practiced precautions too quickly would be a mistake.
Even though we've had this remarkable improvement over the last 1 to 2 months now with the number of COVID cases, we also want to be careful not to lose that.
But the governor says those precautions now fall on personal responsibility rather than government regulation.
Today's announcement does not abandon the safe practices that Texans have mastered over the past year. Instead, it's a reminder that each person has their own role to play in their own personal safety, as well as in the safety of others.
Wichita County officials and others are reacting to the governor's major announcements.
Brett Vetter has local reaction.
Governor Abbott says his new executive order allows for some restrictions to return should hospitalizations of COVID-19 patients top 15% for more than 7 consecutive days. But Wichita County Health Director Lou Kreidler says Governor Abbott is acting too quickly. She's worried about the effect lifting the mandate will have on the state's infection rate.
I do have concerns. I'm certainly not the governor, and those are his decisions to make, but it's concerning for me as a healthcare professional.
Others like State Senator Drew Springer are happy the mandate is being lifted.
He announced what so many of us had been waiting for, that we are ending the mask mandate and that all businesses are open 100%. We have had a fantastic response with the vaccines.
Despite already having received his first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, Wichita Falls resident Michael Oslato says he's weary of moving too quickly.
What's another 2 months? But no, I don't see it retracting at this point.
While new COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations have fallen from a peak in January, levels of the disease across Texas remain high. As of this week, about 5,600 people across the state are hospitalized with COVID-19. Texas has been averaging around 5,000 new cases per day over the past week.
Brett Vetter reporting there. So again, the governor says if any hospital region rises above 15% of the hospital bed capacity for 7 straight days, a county judge can step in to implement COVID mitigation strategies.
He also says, though, judges cannot put anybody in jail for not following COVID orders or impose any penalties for failing to wear a mask.